Hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Simran and in this video I'm going to take you through all the items that I bought from Ajio app. Now this is one app from which I've been shopping since I was in college and they have an amazing collection. Plus I'm also going to share some tips and tricks with you on how you can get your favorite items for the cheapest price ever. So let's get into the video, and before we do that, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell button. So let's get into the video. Starting with the first item, it is a striped boxy top with ruffles. This one is a small size and ये मुझे पड़ा था 272 rupees का, which is very affordable because the quality is absolutely amazing. I love the detailing around the neckline and on the sleeves because it makes it look so chic even though it's a very simple top. The entire look looks very vintage, which I absolutely love about this top. Now the second one is an absolute favorite of mine simply because it's in yellow color, and anybody who knows me knows how much I love yellow color. This is a strappy top with ruffles, size small, and it also cost me around 262 rupees, which is very affordable for the quality of the product. The third one is a ribbed one shoulder top with ruffled sleeves, which I absolutely love because it's so different and it stands out as a design itself. This one cost me around, again, 272 rupees, small size, and I absolutely love the fitting of this top and also the quality. It's perfect for special occasions and even to wear on a daily basis. This is also made from 100% cotton and it's so comfortable. Like, it seems very fitted but it's not at all tight, and the fabric actually hugs your body, so it's a perfect choice for summer weather. At first I thought I would have a problem wearing something that's one shoulder, but I did not because the fabric is so amazing. Now the next top is a striped top with neck tie up. This top I thought was too simple for my style, but when it got delivered and I tried it, it looks so elegant. This one cost me about 314 rupees, and this is also a small size, and it is so perfect. Like, the fabric is totally breathable, and I love every detailing from the button to the tie-ups to the stripes as well. So anybody who hasn't shopped from Ajio before this, they don't take a lot of time to deliver, 1 week maximum, and the return policies and refund policies are extremely flexible. This is not a sponsored video, I'm just sharing this information because that's one website where I shop from a lot and there's always a sale going on, and the products and the quality are absolutely amazing. Everything that I bought in this haul also did not cost me over 250 bucks, and that's exactly the amount that you would pay if you shop anything from a street market. The next one is a wrap neck shift dress with overlay pattern. This is also a small size and it cost me 315 rupees. This one is also very comfortable and the fabric is stretchable, so it's easy to wear even if you order a smaller size. This comes with a zip at the back, so it's easy to get into as well. Also, I'm so sorry that none of the items in this video have been ironed because I was so excited to shoot the haul that I did not care at all about the presentation, but I'll make sure that does not happen in the coming videos. The next one is an embroidered top with neck tie-up. This also looked like a very simple top, but then when it got delivered, I was absolutely amazed by the quality of this top. The colors are so vibrant and it's very comfortable to wear. The top is however see-through, so make sure whenever you're ordering something, just look clearly at the picture so that you don't end up ordering something that you're not comfortable wearing. However, the returns are super easy and simple, so that's not even an issue. And I absolutely love the details. The tie-ups come with these vibrant tassels at the end to complement the design of the top, which I absolutely find adorable. Whenever I'm shopping for summer, I make sure to pay close attention to the fabric that I'm ordering because it's very important to kind of wear breathable fabric like cotton and khadi and all the light fabrics that you can actually wear and that are breathable. Otherwise, you are not going to feel comfortable wearing anything that just looks good. The next item is this shift dress with embroidered neckline. This dress is also in small size and it came for 315 bucks. I would be lying if I did not say that I bought this dress only because of the neckline. The design is same on the front and back, and the entire look, the color and the tassels, the entire design gives such a bohemian vibe, so I absolutely love the quality and the design of this dress. The next one is a floral print off-shoulder top. However, I've not worn it as an off-shoulder top because I wanted a square neckline, so that's how I've worn it. This one is actually for 273 rupees, and again it's a small size. I absolutely love the design, the fabric of this one. It also looks very elegant, like the previous tops that I've also shown you. You can just see how much I'm enjoying wearing this top. I absolutely love the design on the sleeves. It's kind of puffy sleeves, and the print as well is very pretty. Instead of wearing off-shoulder sleeves and worrying about the sleeves coming up and up again and again, I would rather wear a square neck or a v-neck, because if you are going for neck options and you have a broad face, wearing square neck, v-neck, sweetheart necklines can actually tone down your face and make it look slimmer than it actually is. One more thing about Ajio app is that you have to place an order that has a minimum value of 1000 rupees if you want free delivery. Otherwise, I think they charge around 100 bucks. The next one is a striped cold shoulder crop top. This is a medium size and it cost me 307 rupees. I had originally ordered size small, but it was too small, so I had the top replaced for a medium size. However, there was not much of a difference. There was barely any difference in the size. So this is, yes, it's a medium size top, but it's still quite tight. From the back there's an elastic and the sleeves are puffy, and you get a zip at the side that opens up till the end of the top. The design is very nice. There are these stripes of glitter or shiny material, so the top does stand out. It's a perfect choice if you want to go on a date or a special occasion. The straps as well are adjustable, so you can adjust the length as per your requirement. To get this kind of a design for just 300 bucks is a steal. So yes, even though the size is not perfect, I am not disappointed with my purchase. The last but not the least is a wrap top with Florence sleeves. I mean, just look at the color. This color is very vibrant. So you can just look at the material and figure out that the quality is amazing. This is a small size and this cost me about 367. That means 207. I think it's definitely worth it because the fitting was perfect, and I also like the sleeves as well. With this, we have come to an end of the video, and I hope that you like the video. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions about Ajio app, do not forget to mention them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.